Good day guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to Studentsdash channel. Today we'll be looking at Phase 101 in episode state for freshers, that is year 1. So we'll be looking at vector and scalar quantities. Before I proceed, I would like to give the meaning of vector and scalar quantities. What is vector quantity? Vector quantity is a quantity that has both direction and magnitude, while scalar quantity is a quantity that has only direction but no magnitude. Examples of vector quantity: we have impulse, we have force, we have velocity, displacement. These are the derived quantities. We have examples of scalar quantities, which are mass, time, length. They are the fundamental quantities. Before I proceed, well, in scalar quantities, we have no much problem under it. But in vector quantity, that's what we are going to be facing. Vector quantity has more problem and it is more advanced than scalar quantities. We have magnitude of the vector under these vector quantities. This is the sign of magnitude of a vector. This one signifies direction, while this one signifies the magnitude. And this is the formula for solving magnitude of a vector. This is the square root ax square plus ay square plus az square root this. So let's give one problem. Okay, let me go through it again so that you understand it better. This now is showing the magnitude. These two lines is showing the magnitude. While this arrow here is signifying the direction of the vector. This A now, just like this. This is the formula for solving the magnitude of a vector. We have square root ax squared plus ay squared plus az squared. So this is the problem that we are solving now. Given that that is the magnitude of a vector, is 3i plus 4y cap. This cap now, you must put this cap. This cap now is showing the units. So let's proceed. This magnitude of a vector, square root 3 squared plus 4 squared. You must put this squared equals to square root of 3 is 9, square root of 4 is 16. This plus this will give you 25. Square root of 25 will give you 5. Let's look at another example so that you understand it better. Given that is equal to minus 5i plus 3j. This is the question. So you now say solution. Your square root 5 squared plus 3 squared. Some people will be asking, where did this minus go to? Remember that minus times minus will give you plus. So that is what I did here. So square root of 5 will give you 25 plus square root of 3 will give you 9 equal to 25 plus 9 will give you 34. But you don't leave the answer like this. You use your calculator. If you have your castle calculator, you press your square root of 34. Square root of 34, you press this SD to have your answer in decimal point. You press your SD, it will give you 5.8, and that is our final answer, 5.8. So that is all about this magnitude of a vector. If you have any question or you don't understand it, you can watch it again or you drop your question under the comments. So let's proceed. Now we'll be looking at the unit of a vector. Units of a vector. We have A. This one carry cap. This signifies the unit. Remember, if you can recall, I said it when I was talking about the magnitude of a vector, that this signifies the units of a vector. So let's proceed. This is the formula for solving the units of a vector. We have this is the formula for solving units of a vector. Then let's solve one or two problems under these units of a vector. Find minus 2j, so plus 4. You find number 1, A, find the units, then B, find the magnitude. Solution. Before you find the units, you must gotten your magnitude first. Remember your formula of magnitude, but you don't need to put it down. Remember, this thing is CBT method. Understanding the formula and knowing it will help you to answer the question easily. So we have our value 3 square root 3 square plus 2 square. Like I said before, minus times minus will give you plus. Look at it here, plus 4 squared. Square root of 3 will give you 9. Square root of 2 will give you 4. Square root of this will give you 16. This plus this, 20, that is 29. Like I said before, you will not leave your answer like this, because we don't have square root of 29. You use your castle calculator like I said before. You press your square root 29 equal to, you press your CD to get your answer in decimal points. We have 5.3. So this is our magnitude. So we are going to be solving for the units now. Our magnitude from the example given, from the formula given, sorry, our magnitude is 5.3, which we've gotten here. Then our unit is 3i minus 2j plus 4k. This is the answer for the units. This is all we'll be talking about today. So next time we'll be talking about algebra of a vector. Stay connected. Visit us on the studentsdash.com.